Hello and welcome. I'm Cora, your guide, on today's virtual safari through the African Savannah. Right now, we're moving through the open plains of the Okavanga Delta. To your right, you'll see a group of elephants heading toward the water. The matriarch leads while the calves stay close behind. Over by that acacia tree, notice the tall shapes, giraffes nibbling leaves with incredible grace, and just beyond them, a herd of wildebeest grazes. Calm for now, but always ready to run. Look closely at the rock, outcrop ahead. A lioness is resting in the shade, eyes half closed but alert. This is her territory. Above us, a fish eagle circles, its cry echoing across the sky. Every moment out here is a chance to witness something wild and real. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, Safari and Gemma. Bye for now. Hello and welcome. I'm Cora, your guide, on today's virtual safari through the African Savannah. Right now, we're